The 2018 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, rear window wiper, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Come take a test drive today.